Wouldn't it be nice if your chiller could talk? It could warn you if something isn't right. Well, the fact is, chillers do talk. You just need someone who speaks the language. With Smart Service, that someone is Carrier. Carrier Smart Service uses wireless technology and works with the system you already have in place. Smart Service provides early indication of equipment problems and faster resolution, alleviating the potential for chiller system downtime. Not only does it anticipate problems, it allows Carrier service experts to make suggestions for performance improvement. Smart Service is constantly storing and assessing chiller operating data, providing insight into chiller health. With data storage up to 2 years, you can use this information to view trends in operation, analyze your system's performance, make adjustments to prevent future downtime and additional costs, or to help enhance energy efficiency, improving your building's financial performance. Smart Service can also be used on a temporary basis for chiller system optimization or to troubleshoot and diagnose problems. It's a simple way to save time, money, and the headache that comes with an unexpected problem or an inefficient system. Don't be the last to know when your chiller has a problem. Speak the language of the future with Carrier Smart Service.